Okay, it's going.
Okay, guys. Good morning for all. Today, inshallah, we'll continue in lesson 5, one-step division equations, page 369. Now, let's remember what we did yesterday. Yesterday, we took this kind, one-step division equations. An equation has a division operation. And we said if we have division operation with division equation, we do multiplication by the divisor of variable, by the divisor of the variable in both sides. We did that yesterday, okay? For example, if you want to solve, the following equation, m over 3 equals 17. This is division here. So the first step, we rewrite the equation m over 3 equals 17. And then we multiply by the divisor in both sides. The divisor of the variable is a 3, so I'll multiply both sides by 3. And I will multiply beside the fraction here and here. Now 3 multiply m is a 3m. Divided by 3, the 3 with the 3 will be 1. So they are crossed, and here still m equal 17 by multiply 3, I think it is 51. So to solve the division equation, guys, we multiply both sides by the divisor of the variable, Don't mix with the multiplication equation. If we have multiplication equation, we divide by the coefficient in both sides. Don't mix with them, guys, please. And don't mix with the addition and subtraction, okay? So we have four kinds. If we have division, we multiply. If we have multiplication, we divide. If we have addition equation, we subtract the connected number by both sides. Don't forget that, please. And if we have subtraction, the last kind, if we have subtraction equation, we add the connected number by both sides. Don't forget these notes, guys. But our lesson is about the division equation, about this idea here. Yesterday we took example 1. Today we will continue in the check after example 1. So we have the check. We start with the check page. Let me check for you. It is on page 371. 371. So let's start, guys. Let's start, please. Jad. Muad.
Yes.
Muad.
Yes.
Again, on the check, page 371. Thank you.
Okay, I asked that can be used to find the number of people Sophia can have.
Okay. So Sophia has $16.50 in total, right?
Yes.
She want to spend this $16.50 on a party. So Sophia has $16.50 in total, right? She want to spend it on a party, right, ya Muad?
Yes.
Now, each person will be invited for this party. It will has how much money on each person? 2.5.
75.
75. 2.75 on each person, right? So on each guest. So in total, she has $16.50 and she spent on each person 2.75. Got it?
Yes.
Now continue read the question. How many find the number of people, right? We need to find the number of people. Do we know the number of people, ya Muad?
No.
So what we will call it?
P.
Huh? P. ماشي. Let P be the number of what?
People.
Of people. Good boy. So let P be the number of people. Again, let's summarize the question here. Sophia has, in total, she has $16.50. She wanna spend 2.75 on, right?
Yes.
So the question wants us to know how many people we have in this party. We will have, or Sophia will have in this party, if she spends 75 on each person. So we don't know the number of people, so we'll give it a variable. P be the number of people. صح؟ مش هيك الquestion?
Yes.
Good. Let's take another easier example, easier question, sorry. For example, if you have $10, okay? I'm Muad. Hello.
Yes.
You have $10 and you want to give for your friends, each one, you want to give him $2. Good?
Good.
So you have $10 in total and you want to give your friends, each one, $2. Got it? Wait. Better put your hand. Better put your hand, I said.
Yes, mister.
Abdul Hamid, how are you?
Fine.
Yesterday you didn't send the email for me.
No, I did how?
You didn't send it.
I didn't send it yesterday.
No, I didn't receive it. I've tried to send it, Mashi. Okay. Now let's back here to our example. Muad, are you with me? Again, guys, you have $10 in total. Each person will get 2. So to know how many people, you divide 10 on 5 to get 2. So here down will be the number of people, okay? So let's go back to our exam, our question there. So here in total, we have $16.50 and each person will get 2.75. Who can give me the equation, guys, here? Who can give me the equation to know how many people we have? Who can give me the equation to know how many people we have? Yusuf.
Yes, Mister.
Yeah.
The equation will be 2.75 over P equal 16.50.
So you divide the money of each person.
Sorry, 16.50 over P equal
أيوة.
2.75.
The total of the money divided by the number of the people will get each person how much, right? The
2.75.
amount of money for each person. This is the equation, okay? This is the equation. So write the equation, guys. So we will solve it down here. Write the equation. Stop moving, Ibn. Stop moving. Write the equation, guys. Now, let's solve this equation. Now, to solve this equation, guys, the variable should be up like this one. The variable should be in the numerator. To multiply both sides by 3, the variable should be on the numerator. But here the variable is in the denominator. So what we will do, guys, remember this, this thing, reciprocal. Who can tell me what's the reciprocal, guys? What is the reciprocal? If you remember, we took that before. Hisham, what's the reciprocal?
The reciprocal is the number that you divide, you get the answer is 1. Like 1 over 5 multiply 5 over 1 equals 1.
The reciprocal is to flip the fraction, right?
Yes.
Like if you have 2 over 3, the reciprocal is what?
3 over 2.
3 over 2. So let's go back to our equation. Again, here in our equation, guys, the variable is in the denominator. And what we took yesterday, the variable should be on the numerator. So to solve this equation as a division equation, we need to put or to find the reciprocal on both sides. So the first step here, do reciprocal in both sides. Why I will do this step, guys? Just to make the numerator to make the denominator up, to make the variable up. So here I will do reciprocal here, then I'll do reciprocal here to make it as I want, like this form. So here it will be P over 16.50 equal, what's the reciprocal of this number? Who can tell me, guys? 2.75. What is the reciprocal for it? Hilal.
Yes, mister.
What's the reciprocal of 2.75?
Same.
Same. No, it's not the same. What's the reciprocal? I want the reciprocal. Who can tell me, guys? What is the reciprocal, Omar? If we have a number, what's the reciprocal of the number? The fraction, we flip it. Of the number, what we will do?
Yes, Mr. Mr. Forget.
2.75. What's the reciprocal of this number?
Well, 1.75.
Exactly. Excellent boy. It is 1 over 2.75 because this is already over 1. We know that. So why I did reciprocal, guys? To make the variable in the numerator. Just this step. But if the variable in the numerator already, we just multiply by the divisor directly. But here our equation, the variable was down. So I need to put it up. So I will do reciprocal. But if we do it on one side, I need to do it on the other side. And we know why. Because the equal stays the same. Now, let's do our question. Let's do our equation. What's the step now? Who can tell me how I will solve this equation? How I will solve this equation? Abdurrahman, how I will solve this equation?
Mister, I divide I divide the number that's under the variable.
Divide the number that under the variable.
On both
So we
sides.
have division, then we will divide, right?
No, you will
We have
multiply.
division here.
Multiply.
Then we divide again, right?
Multiply.
يعني ايش المشكلة لما بحكي لك if you have multiply you divide, if you have divide you multiply, it's easy يعني it's easy. We have divide, what we will do يا عبد الرحمن?
Multiply.
So why you say divide? We will divide again?
No.
So we multiply both sides by the divisor. Normal step. So rewrite the equation. P over 6.50 equals 1 over 2.75. I'll multiply both sides by the divisor of the variable. We know that, right?
Yes.
Which is 16.50 here, and here also 16.50, right?
Yes.
Now, let's cross here. Is still what?
P.
P equal. Now, this is over 1. We know that.
That's 1 over 1.
Up, multiply down. It will be division, divide. The answer will be, I think, let me check. 16.50 divided by 2.75. Just give me a second to divide it. 16.50 divided by 2.75 is 6. So P equals 6. So how many people should be invited for this party?
6.
6 people, because P is the number of the people. Okay, this is the check, guys, page 371. I do a different step here. I do reciprocal in both sides just to put the variable up. That's all. Then I do my normal step, multiply both sides by the divisor of the variable. This is the check. Copy it, please, in your book. Copy it, please, in your book. Okay, now let's move to the example, which is example 2 will be example 2 in this lesson. Example 2. Example 2, guys. Amr, read.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla ya Amr. Do you understand everything
Yeah.
here?
Solve
Yalla ya Amr. Do example 2.
Solve division equation.
Good.
Solve x over 9 equals 13.
Hello. X over 9 equals 13. Normal division equation. What is the first step, Yabni?
Rewrite.
I did.
Okay. Then make the multiplication property
With
9
in both
sides.
Guys, I will multiply both sides by 9, as Amr said. But here I won't use the multiplication sign because I have x already, so they are similar.
Write on 9.
Use the dot like this, okay?
Okay.
This means multiply. Use it when you have x. Use it when you have x, just to distinguish between them. This is multiply and this is our variable. Now the 9s are what, yeah?
Gun.
Amr, are gone. So still here what in this side?
X equal
13
multiply
9,
117.
117. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Good
So
boy.
the solution of the equation is 117. X equal 117.
Thank you. Now, if you get this 117, guys, and put it here and divide on 9, the answer should be what? 13. This is example 2. Let's go to the check after example 2 together. The check after example 2. Thank you, Amr. Let's do the check, guys. Rayyan.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya Rayyan. The check after example 2. Hello? Hello?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Mr. Rayyan, the check after example 2. Are you with us?
Yes, yes.
طيب يلا ايش تعمل؟ read.
9 equal x over 17 for x.
يلا solve 9 equal x over 17 for x. The word for x, guys, means to find the value of x. Okay, we know that. يلا tell me يا ريان, what I will do here?
We will write
I did x over 17. Then
divide 17, divide 17.
لا إله إلا الله. يا ابني. What we have here, what's this?
X.
No, this line means what?
Line.
I know, it means what? What's this line? Is this line addition?
No.
Is this line subtraction?
No, multiply.
I'm asking you, Yabni, I'm asking you, is this line subtraction?
No.
Is this line multiplication?
Yes.
This line multiplication. This line means multiplication. Yabni, talk with me, yes or no?
Yes.
This line means multiplication.
Yes.
كيف اتعامل معه طيب انا؟ يا ابني يعني if you want to multiply 2 by 7 you write 2 over 7 like this, the multiplication. What's the matter with you? Is this line multiplication يا ابني?
No, divide.
Why you say yes all the time?
I said for you, divide this for me. No.
Yeah, mister, you said divided by 17 in both sides. I already have division. I will divide if we have division, or I will what?
I will multiplication.
Why you say divide, طيب? If you know, why you say divide? Why? It's easy. If you have divide, you multiply. If you have multiply, you divide. If you have add, subtract. If you have subtract, add. It's easy. يعني ايش المشكلة فيها؟ Tell me now, what I will do يا ابني?
We will write multiply 17, multiply 17.
In both sides, like this.
Yes.
Multiply 17 and multiply
17.
17. Now, then
We
what
will
I
write
will do?
X equal.
The 17s are gone, so X equal.
Yes,
I will
X
multiply
equal.
here. How
17
much 9 by
multiply
17? 17 times 9. 9 by 7, 63.
17 times 9, it's 153.
153. So X equal 153. It's easy, it's easy. Focus. Allah يسعدك. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Good boy. This is the check, guys. After example 2, copy it, please. Let's go to example 3 together. Example 3. Sulaiman.
Yes, Mr.
Read example 3.
Solve C over 3
C
equals
over 3 equal
2 over 5.
2 over 5. Good.
We will write it again.
يلا C over 3 equals 2 over 5. Then
Now we will multiply 3 in both sides.
multiply by 3 here, multiply by 3 here. Then
We C equal
the 3's are gone. C
Yeah.
equal
Then we multiply 3 and 2 over 5.
يلا how much 2 over 5 multiply 3? How much it will be here?
Just a second. One and 1 over 5.
Excellent. It is, okay, this is over 1 multiply, it will be 6 over 5 first, right?
Yeah. Then it will
And
be
because up is more than down, long division, it will be 1 and 1 over 5. This is the value of C. Got it?
yeah.
Good boy. This is example 3. We have check after example 3. Let's do it together. The check. Let's do the check. Yahya.
Yes,
Yahya.
Mister.
يلا يا يحيى. Read the check after example 3. طول يا ابني.
Okay.
يلا يا ابني. طول حضرتك. Hello. مستر يحيى. مش معقول. وين راح؟ طب يعني ايش الفكرة يعني؟ مش عارف انا ايش الفكرة والله العظيم. عمل لحاله ميوت الاخ. طيب. Again, مستر يحيى. يا ابني talk with me الله يسعدك. لا اله الا الله.
يا مستر.
يا ابني talk with me ايش قصتك انت؟
يا مستر طلعوني برا الحصة.
ليه عملت لحالك ميوت؟ بس سؤال، ليه عملت لحالك ميوت؟
مستر طلعوني برا الحصة عشان هيك رديت.
مين اللي طلعوك يا ابني؟ مين اللي طلعوك؟ احكي لي عنهم هذول اللي طلعوك.
مستر طلعوني برا الحصة.
طيب ماشي طلعوك برا الحصة. Read the check after example 3 to solve it. يلا اشوف.
اوكي.
اها. يلا بسرعة قبل لا يطلعوك يلا. انت مش عارف which page right؟ بقول لك لا تمثل قوة. ما بصير تمثل. ما بصير. لا مش معصبة. يلا يا جماعة. We are on page 372. عمل لحاله ميوت مرة ثانية. يلا. مستر يحيى are you here؟
اوكي مستر.
مش معقول يعني والله مش هيك.
Marcel is purchasing boards to build a book.
372 where are you يا ابني؟ انت مش فاتح كتابك ليش؟ مستر انت كنت معانا من اول الكلاس ولا ما كنت معانا؟
لا كنت معاكم.
طيب did you do the check after example 2 and the check after example 1? Did you do both?
Yes.
In your book? Huh?
Yes.
طب what's the problem? Where you are going? We are in example 3. After it we have check. Read it.
Okay. Dario is. Dario.
هذا يا ابني see the example 3 see it?
Yes.
We have check after example 3. We have check. See it?
Okay.
Read it.
Solve k over 4 equal 4/2/3.
Yeah. How we will solve this equation?
Okay. Put divide in both sides and beside the line. Divide 4/2/3.
انت يحيى الشجراوي؟
Yes.
ايش مالك يا يحيى؟ ايش فيه؟ We have division here. We make divide also. يا ابني, do you understand the lesson? Do you understand the lesson?
Yes.
يحيى, do you understand the lesson?
Yes.
Do you understand the lesson? Are you sure? Here, we have division يا ابني. K over 4 equal 4 and 2/3. What I will do يا ابني in the division equation?
We will rewrite.
Okay, let's rewrite. K over 4 equal 4 and 2/3. Then what I will do?
Then we will put beside the lines.
أي 9 يا ابني؟ ما فيش 9 هون بالمرة.
We will put,
هنا ما في 9.
we will put beside the line.
The line. Yeah, the line. Sorry. يلا. We put beside the line what?
4/2/3.
Mister, we multiply by 4 in both sides. If we have division, we multiply by 4 in both sides. Got it? Copy يا ابني, copy. Copy and study. Copy and study. Now, the 4s are gone. K equal, here we turn this to fraction, guys. 3 by 4, 12 plus 2, 14/3 multiply 4. This is over 1 and multiply normally. 14 by 4/3. 14 by 4, I think 56. I'm not sure. 14 by 4, 16, 5, yeah. Now 56 divided by 3, we make division. 56 divided by 3, 1, 3, subtract 2, 6, 8. 24, subtract 2. So the answer 18 and 2/3. So K equal 18 and 2/3. Mr. Yahya, look here, Yabni, look here. If we have division, what do we do, Yabni?
Multiply.
Multiplication. If we have multiplication, what we do? Division. If we have addition, what we do? And if we have subtraction, what we do?
Addition.
Addition. So please, Yabni, read, study, focus. Don't be lost, okay?
Okay.
This is the check, guys. After example 3, copy it, please. Surah. Guys, in your homework, you will do the equations as always. But be careful, guys. If the variable is down, if the variable is in the denominator in one-step division equation, you make reciprocal in both sides, then solve it. You make reciprocal in both sides, then solve it, okay? Don't forget that. So do your homework, page 375, and send it to Classera. We are done with this lesson. Do your homework for today and send it on Classera. If you have any questions, keep your hand. If you don't, remove it, please. If you have any questions, keep your hand. If you don't, remove it. Habdab Abdul Rahman.
Mr. How I know the variable is down or up?
It depends on your understanding for the question, Yabni.
Okay.
You need to read the question, understand it, then you will see. You can write it like this, or you can write it like this. It depends. Hilal. Badr.
Mister, we have another check
Where?
after this page.
No need, not wanted.
Okay.
Stop recording, Badr.